Hey guys, if you want to know how to add an image to your website using HTML, this video is for you. I will show you the different ways to add an image from your computer or add any image online. You will also learn how to resize it so it fits perfectly in your website. Let's begin. First of all, I want to show that I have my image ready on the same folder where I will create my HTML file. You can see it's right here. Now just go to your text editor. In my case, I will be using Visual Studio Code and create a new file with the HTML extension and paste the HTML structure. This can be done automatically with most of the text editors. Now I will quickly edit the title that is shown in the tab, and I will create a H1 tag, which is a big title that will appear at the top of this website. To insert the image, we will use the IMG tag. So just put it followed by src and the name and extension of your image. In my case, it's image.png, so just put it like this and make sure to close the tag at the end. Now just copy the path of your HTML file and paste it in your browser. You can also directly drag the HTML file to your browser. That's how easy you can insert an image. Now I will show you how to resize it, because in my case it's too big. Let's go to the text editor again. There are different ways to do this. You can use some CSS, which is the most common way to edit anything in your website. Just use style, followed by width, and any percentage you want. In my case, I will put 25. This will resize the image to 25% of the real size. To apply the changes, you always need to save the HTML file and refresh the website with F5. It looks better now. I will show another way to resize it, which is manually putting the width and height of the image. Just use width and set a number of pixels, same with the height. You can use this attribute to modify the size of your image however you want. In my case, I prefer using the width attribute with a specific percentage, so I will leave it like that. Now I will show you another way to access to your images without having them in the same folder. I will create another folder called Images, where I will move this image. Now you can see the image doesn't appear because the path is not correct anymore. We can also use this attribute called alt, which is commonly used. This will display a text in case the image is not found, because of any reason. You can see it now displays the text image, because the image is not found. To access to the image inside a folder, you need to edit this field right here and add the name of the folder followed by a slash. Now it works perfectly. And lastly, I will show you how to add an image from any website. Just search for your desired image. Right-click it and copy the image address. Now it's the same process we did before, just paste the image address right here, and that's it. We can also resize it or do whatever we want. If this tutorial was helpful, please don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.